thinking that they different from others cause of their color, but come on out of your cover. We all sisters and brothers here, no reason for fear if you see clearly now, cause we all non-different, all God's children, everything under the sun. We all one, all breathing one air from the one sky, all reflections of the one true light, all drinking one water from the one ocean. Plus under the ocean you'll find there's only one land, separated by lines on maps drawn by man. But that wasn't the plan. How long can we stand to be fussing and fighting? Should be actualizing our dreams, celebrate the supreme by elevating every child on earth to a king or queen, cause we all divine. Every plant, animal, and human being you'll find. So don't find it surprising if your neighbor's on the ground and you can't see the sky rising. Give it up for one world. Give it up for one world. Give it up for one world. One world family. I'ma share my life for the world to see. One world family. Love means the world and it starts with me. One world family. I'ma share my life for the